There's the AAF's checkpoint. It's coming up on 20 minutes since their convoy was supposed to pass through here. All right, we're coming up on the convoy's last known position. Start scanning that terrain, people. There, on the road. Broadway, Alpha 1-1 actual. We have a visual on the convoy. Grid 073123. How copy? Over.
1-1 actual, Broadway. Copy. Dispatching reinforcements. Secure the area and await their arrival.
Copy, Broadway.
And Staff Sergeant, in all likelihood, you're gonna have FIA guerrillas waiting for you down there. Stick to the ROE. Do not fire unless fired upon. However, that does not mean you're to roll over and take it. Confirm. Over.
Got it, sir.
Good. Broadway out.
Martinez, McKendrick, take the hill on the right. Provide overwatch. Sergeant, on me.